Chapter number 6, Scratch Programming. Students, before start the Scratch programming, first of all we should know that what is program and programming. So let us learn with program and programming language. In our daily life, we perform many tasks from dawn to dusk. Students, any task that we perform includes various steps. It means we complete every task in step-by-step manner. Okay, for this we have to complete it step by step in particular sequence. Okay students, so let's learn with an example. Suppose a teacher asks you to bring notebook from your class to the computer lab, and since you are new in the school, so I guide you the way to reach in the computer lab, and I give you instructions to move in the following manner. First of all, you are to move left from the class and go straight. After leaving 5 classes, take a right turn. Then move forward, and after leaving 6 classes, take left turn. After leaving 2 classes, you will reach in the computer lab. So in this way, likewise, a computer follows stepwise instructions to complete any task, which is known as program. A computer follows stepwise instructions to complete any task, which is known as program. A program is also called a software, which tells the computer what to do. We work on the software now. That software is also a program. Okay. Everything that a computer does from starting up to shutting down a program. When you start the computer and till you shut down the computer, all that is program. All that is program. Suppose students, any game that you play in your mobile phone or computer is nothing but a program. Even the viruses written for the computer are also a program. The language used to write program is called programming language. The language used to write program is called programming language, and the person who writes these program is known as programmer. The person who writes these program is known as programmer. So students, one important thing I want to tell you about the Scratch, that Scratch you can easily run on different operating system, includes Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Okay, so Scratch is visual programming environment designed for the kindergarten lifelong learning group at MIT that allows children to learn computer programming in fun-filled interactive manner such as animated stories and games. Students, first of all, I want to give an introduction to Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language. Scratch is a computer programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. Scratch is easy to learn and use. It provides an interactive environment to create programs by dragging block of codes. It means you drag the block of codes, and by this you can create a program. Okay. A key design goal of Scratch is to support self-directed learning through tinkering and collaboration with the fellow children. In Scratch, sprites are maneuvered the stage using various scripts. Each sprite possesses its own set of scripts that controls its action and interaction with other sprites and events. Programming consists of breaking together individual blocks of former actions to create a script. A program can be as simple as a single block or consist of multiple blocks stacked together that will run as a unit. It means you are to generate the block of codes, and we are to combine these block of codes all together to make a program. Here in this script you will find here the sprites is an object. Okay, and the stage is the background. In the stage the sprite moves, that is stage. Okay, that is background. And script are the small program segments. It means the small pieces of programs are called the scripts. We combine these scripts to complete a task. Step by step we complete the task by combining these small program segments. Okay, so in this way we will work in the Scratch. To start the Scratch, we are to follow some step. Click on the start button. First click on the start button, then you are to click on Scratch, then Scratch to desktop app. Okay, in this way your the Scratch interface will appear on your screen. Okay, this is Scratch interface. This is interface of Scratch. In this interface you will find here the second form. The topmost bar is the menu bar. This is menu bar. This is where you can create new project, save project, open an existing project, save as with a name, undo a previous action, obtain help. In this menu bar you can do all these operations, like you can make new project. After creating the new project you are to save. For this you can save your project, you can open the existing project, or you can perform the undo action. Okay, and if you need any help, you can obtain the help from this menu bar. Next is block descriptions. The block description area lists 10 categories of blocks including motion, looks, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing operators, and more blocks. You can see here this is block description. Here you will find all these categories, and this block of codes are coded with different colors. You can see here different colors. Okay, and when you see the block of a particular color, quickly you can conclude that which block we are using or which block of code we are applying in our script. Okay, next is block palette. This area is just below the block description area and shows all the blocks available to you for use in your programming. See here, this is block palette. This block palette you will find here under this block description. Okay, note that the blocks palette will change depending upon the current block category. When you start a new block category, the block palette will change to reflect the new options available. These blocks of code, you can, whenever you change the category, the block palette will reflect. Okay, it will change accordingly. Next is current sprite information. Here you will find the name and picture of the current sprite together with its X, Y position, direction and rotation style. In the X and Y position or direction, you will find the name and the picture of the current sprite. Okay, next is tabs. There are 3 tabs. You will find these 3 tabs: scripts, costume and sounds. Scripts, costumes and sounds. See here, these 3 tabs allow you to see as well as change the existing sprites, scripts, costumes and sound. By using these tabs you can change the existing scripts, costumes and sound. By using the scripts tab, this script tab shows you any script that presently exists as well as develop new scripts relating to the existing script. This script tab allows you to change the scripts from presently scripts to the new script. You can develop the new scripts from this script tab, and you can change from the costume tab. Costume tab allow you to create, edit, copy a costume. It means a costume is a visual image of the sprite on a screen. See here, this is the costume now, orange. You can change this costume using this costume tab. This is the visual image of sprites on screen. This is the sprite now. You can change this sprite's costume by using the costume tab. You can create your own. You can choose. You can take from the files. You can edit. You can copy or you can in edit you can change the color also, different colors you can apply. Okay, spirits can have multiple costumes and they can use scripts to change the costume between them. Suppose this sprite is walking. While walking, you can change the change his costume in different colors. You will see the blinking in the different colors. So we can change these costumes using the costumes tab. Next is sound tab. Sound tab plays the current sprite sound. It plays the current sprite sound. You can change accordingly. Next is script area. In the script area is where you create and view the scripts pertaining to the current sprite. Your current sprites. It is where you can create and view your scripts. Okay. Next is stage. You can see here, this is stage. This is stage. In this stage, all the actions take place on this stage. Okay, the stage is 480 unit wide by 360 unit tall. 480 unit wide. See here, this is 480 unit wide and 360 units tall, and the center of the stage is XY coordinate. Center of the stage is XY coordinate. You can see here XY coordinate. So in this stage you can move your sprite. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.